What's going on? Happy Thursday, Throwback Thursday, whatever you want to call this. How's everybody doing? We're in the swing of fall. Fall is okay if it don't act stupid. Weather-wise, we got summer weather back here, or but we're supposed to be in the 80s, I guess, all weekend or so. Maybe barbecue. I don't know. I do something this weekend because it might be the last grilling thing I may be able to do. What's everybody's thing about? What I want to talk about, and I don't need to be disparaging about folks, but I wrote a book back in 2016 called The 5 Keys to Success, Knowing the Difference Between Prospecting and Marketing. Now the book, some people, on my left here, they talking about, well, the punctuation. You know what? I can't worry about always the punctuation being this and that and all other things. If you get the message, that's all I fucking care about, okay? If that's all you want is the message, what's going on, what I'm trying to convey, get the book. But I don't need anybody always kind of criticize. It's not that. It's to get a message, something to people that they can refer to. The reason why I wrote this book is because we were in a transitional period with social media and the internet and what was better and what people wanted to do to buy back their time. And the only reason why and the only way people can buy back their time is to have leverage. See, when I got involved in network marketing and all this, there was no internet, there was no social media, there was none of that kind of infrastructure, okay? Your time was taken because you had to actually go out prospecting, okay? We need to get an understanding with prospecting. Prospecting and network marketing. Prospecting is a physical act that you must go do and find out people to talk to, okay? You gotta go out, okay? You gotta go out and find people to talk to about your business. The problem with that is most people you don't know. You gotta build this relationship. It takes a lot of damn time to do. Today, people don't have that kind of time. People are looking for leverage. People do not want to go up to strangers and stalk them in the mall or whatever. But right now, you can't do that. And really, you shouldn't be doing it on social media. Just because you have leverage online does not mean you should be stalking and doing. See, to me, I look at prospecting as a form of stalking. See, if you got to run around on social media, there's a difference between networking. Okay, let's get this straight, people. Some people call prospecting network. I wish they throw the fucking word out altogether. We need to understand what we need to be what we really need to be understanding is we need to be networking on social media, not prospecting people. Okay? We need to throw that damn word out of the whole dictionary, out of the whole thing of network marketing. Okay, I don't like when people come creeping down the road like this. That some food is, I don't know. People come creeping down the road like this fool is over here. I don't know who he is. Come creeping down here. Folks who creep like that, yeah, it bothers me. Yeah, I'm very kind. Hey, I grew up to North Jersey part of my life. So, especially summertime, hey, don't creep around here. And I lived in LA. So all that creeping and shit in your car, yeah, I'm very leery. Back to what I'm saying. We need to throw out the word prospecting and replace it with the word networking. Okay, networking means you're building relationships with people online like you would if you were going to a networking group. See, prospecting in the network marketing sphere has the connotation of getting people to join your business, okay? Networking is getting to know people in a certain group, whether you meet people that you have something in common with, you connect with somebody. There's a different vibe. There's a different thing. And people, we need to understand it. And I don't want to try to... There's some people who are leaders in this business, and Maybe it's because I'm older and I've been around, and words to me mean a lot when it comes to marketing to certain people that are coming into this business. You have to give them to get an understanding what needs to be done, because they're going to have a whole lot of problem trying to recruit people. We didn't even like the word recruit. Sound like you're in the army or something. You're gonna have a lot of time. You're gonna have a lot of problems building your business by using certain words. And a lot of people act like certain words, or that you're getting too deep into certain things about things. No, I'm not getting too deep, people. It's not getting too deep. It's understand. You need to understand that words and the connotation of words mean a lot. And just like I said, we need to throw out the word prospecting, and we need to put the word networking as a. That's see, when you understand where you're coming from and the terms that you're using, you get a focus on what this whole thing is turning around the business about. Prospecting got nothing to do with turning to being the hunter, turning the hunted. You can't do both. You can't prospect and be the hunted. Okay? That connotation needs to be thrown the fuck out. About in today's day, people are gonna be confused. Networking and prospecting aren't the same thing. They're not. Okay? There's a different vibe, there's a different connotation, there's a different strategy when you're networking. You're networking to make connections with folks, not basically for your business. You network just to build some rapport relationship. And it ain't got nothing to do with trying to get people in your business. That's what the connotation of prospecting is. In the network marketing division, this is why people have a big problem with network marketing, because it is labeled into the get me prospecting attitude instead of learning to network, to build friendships, to build relationships. No matter how that relationship is going to be built, you need to learn to network. If you're going to use social media, have the attitude of networking, not prospecting. Take the prospecting shit out your mind. I'm sick of some of you network marketers are all out here always talking about prospecting. They need to throw that fucking word out. This is a different day. People don't want to prospect nobody. Okay? I don't prospect. Okay? And when you go to let's look at it this way, in social media terms, folks. Let's look at it this way, social media terms. Let's say, when we go to the bar, it's a relationship that you socializing. You may be networking with some people, you have a drink, talk some shit. And it's a form of networking. People ask what they do, and if there's some connection or some need into what you do, then the conversation may go that way. But you guys in network marketing got this attitude that everybody needs what you have, and they don't need what you have, okay? They don't want what you have half the time, because of the way you approach. And you have to, for any product or service that gets moved, there has to be a need for it. This is the reason why you need to learn to network. Stop trying to prospect. I'm harping on this because you need to understand there's the connotation behind it. People always talking about, no, I'm not gonna fall in love with prospecting. And I think it's going to get a lot of people's business hurt, because the attitude in network marketing has hurt a lot of things. And even back in 2012, when it was Herbalife and some other companies got hit by the FCC because of their prospecting ways and the way they did business. You need to learn to do business. You need to network. First and foremost, you learn to network. Stop the prospecting shit. Reason why I wrote that book, 5 keys of success. Learn the difference between prospecting, learn the difference between marketing and prospecting. I should have probably called it learn the difference between networking and prospecting. Maybe that will be book 2. I'm doing a revised version of the book. And that's something I might add into that. It just came to me. Yeah, I need to add that into it. Too many of y'all don't understand that difference, and you're shooting yourself in the foot in your business because you're always getting folks. You're always out there to get people. You get on people on LinkedIn. You're always getting folks. I'm gonna post this on LinkedIn, this video. You're always out here. Instead of networking, you're always prospecting for your business. You're always digging for somebody for your business. Okay? You get a better reaction from people if you learn to market valuable information people want instead of ramming down your business and down their throat. Okay? Because you think they need your shit. They don't need your shit, man. Folks, let's get it real, folks. They don't need your shit. What they need is valuable information that either make their business work either smoother, something to help them with, that will help their business run smoother. And in the optimum world, folks, today is leverage. If it don't have no leverage, I don't do it. I didn't get in business to have another job, okay? I got in business to have a lifestyle to do what the hell I want. And lifestyle is subjective. Lifestyle is whatever the hell you want. It don't have to be a luxurious being on the beach and everything. Some people always think lifestyle has to be this. Lifestyle can be like me, getting up when I'm done. Okay? Lifestyle can be going to have lunch with some friends without having permission because you got it from a damn job. But you got to be with people who are in the same lifestyle you are in too. People think black people think they're free from slavery. Shit, you got a job, you still a slave. I'm putting it out there. You got a job, you still in the slave market. Ain't the same thing. It's this instead of the physical abuse that you're getting a lot of mental. Okay, back. A lot of y'all get mental abuse on jobs. You know what I'm talking about? Especially with this 45 regime. These some bitch think they can talk to you any damn way they want to. That's why I can't go back to a job. I know what the hell what I do to them. Okay? But that's here nor there. That's just real talk. A lot of y'all say you want real talk, but when you get it, I don't know. Cicadas are still out here singing. But like I said, we say this, the internet, we say this I say this to educate you on things. A lot of people in network marketing are not gonna tell you this. They follow these old school terms. They're really outdated because of the disruption. The 2 disruptions that have happened in the last 15 or 20 years has been social media and the internet, and now this pandemic. Okay, it has forced the ones that want to stay in business to understand that you're going to have to learn to market and network using leverage, social media, and the internet. You're going to have to. If you don't do it, you ain't no business. You're going to have to learn to build an audience using these methods. This is what we are always training people on. Your business is about building an audience. It ain't about your products and services. Nobody gives a shit about your products and services unless they need it. You have to build an audience towards those products and services. And that's through networking and it's through marketing. Plain and simple. Okay? Plain and simple. Ain't no 2 ways about it. The technologies, the pandemic has truly placed us within what we named this industry, network marketing. Without understanding networking, without understanding marketing, you're gonna struggle in this industry. Most people struggle because they prospect. You don't network. That's where 95% of people struggle. You don't know how to network. You're not taught to network. You're taught to dig, to look, to hunt. That's where the term being the hunted, not the hunter, That's where the marketing side of network marketing should be placed, okay? This is what you got to understand. Folks don't understand that because they've been told a crock of mess about what this industry is really set up to do. It's not about prospecting, folks. If you don't quit doing that shit, you're gonna struggle. Okay? You're going to struggle. You better learn to network and you better learn to market. That's all I got to say for the night on a Throwback Thursday. If you like what I have to say, I'm gonna leave a link here. You can join my my email list. I have an email list. Join my newsletter, GregorySmith.online. You can join that if you like what you hear. Get more information that I send out on my list every week. Okay? With that said, if you want to, what I'll do, I'll leave a link to my book, The 5 Keys to Success. Okay? 5 Keys to Success. First book I've written. I think you get what I'm talking about when I talked about this just now with this video, because that's what you need to understand. Get out of that mode, get out of that mindset, emotional mindset of prospecting people. You need to learn to network. Networking is the key to your business. Marketing is the way to attract those right people. With that being said, I hope you got value. Peace. Take care. See you on the next video. I'm out. Later.